In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch your Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're just starting your online journey or looking to refresh an existing site, Squarespace makes it straightforward and user-friendly. Today, we'll get you comfortable with taking your site from the drawing board to being live on the web. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Squarespace website. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and do so. This is where you'll access your dashboard, the nerve center of your website operations, where all your projects and websites are housed. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your Squarespace websites. From this list, select the specific site you want to work on by clicking on it. This action takes you to the workspace for that particular site, where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the right place, look for the Edit button. You'll commonly find this in the upper left corner of your page. Clicking this button will enable you to edit your site's content and design. Whether you plan to change some text, swap out images, or update site menus, this is your gateway to customization. Take a moment to review the different editing options. It's always a good idea to have a vision in mind for what you want. Whether it's a complete overhaul or just some minor tweaks, plan your changes carefully to ensure coherence and professionalism across your site. Once you're satisfied with the edits, your next step is crucial: saving your changes. It's as simple as clicking the Save button, which you'll usually find in the top corner of the editing interface. By doing this, you publish your changes, committing them to your website. It's rewarding to see your hard work and creativity go live, ready to impress your audience. Remember, you can always revisit the editor to make further changes and improvements in the future. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully navigated from accessing your website, making key edits, to launching those changes live. This process is designed to be as seamless as possible, making it easy for anyone to bring their unique vision to life. Keep exploring and experimenting with more features to enhance your site, as Squarespace offers a wealth of tools and templates. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to launch your Squarespace website. Stay tuned for more handy tips and guides to make the most of your online presence.